Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to buy fractional real estate shares on Roofstock, a platform that makes investing in real estate more accessible by offering fractional ownership. If you're interested in diversifying your portfolio with real estate, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Create your Roofstock account. Visit the Roofstock website or app and sign up for an account. Complete the required identity verification to get started with investments. Explore fractional properties. Navigate to the fractional shares section on Roofstock. Here you can browse a variety of residential properties available for partial ownership. Review property details. Select a property to view key information, such as location and market data, neighborhood insights and regional growth potential, projected returns, expected rental income and appreciation. Ownership structure, details about the number of shares available and the minimum investment. Calculate investment potential. Use the provided tools to estimate your potential returns based on your desired investment amount and projected property performance. Fund your account. Link your bank account to fund your Roofstock wallet. Ensure you have sufficient funds to purchase the fractional shares you're interested in. Purchase shares. Once you've selected a property, specify the number of shares you want to buy and complete the transaction. Roofstock will handle the paperwork and finalize your ownership. Track your investments. Use the Roofstock dashboard to monitor your investments, track rental income, and review performance updates. Receive passive income. As a fractional owner, you'll receive your portion of the rental income. Roofstock manages the property and distributions, making it a hassle-free experience. With Roofstock, owning a piece of real estate has never been easier or more convenient. Have you tried investing through Roofstock? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate investment tips. See you in the next one.